Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Power off the Panda Touch Pro and remove the SIM tray before starting. Work on a clean, static-free surface with good lighting. Use a Phillips #00 screwdriver and a nylon spudger for safe disassembly. Keep small screws in a labeled tray and photograph each step for reference. Disconnect the 3.7V battery connector before touching internal components to avoid shorts. Wear safety glasses and avoid metal to replace a cracked screen by removing 8 visible screws and separating the frame carefully. Use a heat gun set to 80 degrees Celsius to soften adhesive along the edges. Pry up the display with a thin plastic tool and lift the display from the bottom edge. Swap the rear camera module using the labeled flex cable and a plastic pry tool. Clean the charging port with compressed air and a 1.5 non-conductive pick if needed. Install a new 3.7V battery with adhesive strips and reconnect the battery cable securely. Reattach any shielding plates and confirm all flex cables are fully seated in their sockets. Test power, volume, and home buttons before final reassembly to confirm functionality. Power on the device and run a quick touchscreen calibration and camera check. Reassemble in reverse order and torque screws gently to avoid cracking plastic parts. Wipe the exterior and verify SIM recognition before returning the device to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.